So let's talk about the band. This right here, if you guys have been in the band in the last 12 hours, you will see that we have changed a few things. This is basically what you're going to see. Over here in the top left corner, this little band logo right here, if you click that, you see I have this network admin thing. You will not, but you do have this invite to Chris Cooking Nashville band members. You can click on that and it will give you this little link right here. You can click to copy the link and you can send this to people to invite them to become a member of the band. I would really appreciate you guys doing that because we're trying to grow and make it something really special. You've got that in the top left-hand corner over here. You've got a search bar right here, which will search for things in the band. And then there's all of this other little interesting stuff. So this is like a streak. It keeps track of, how many days in a row you're in the band and all that kind of stuff. And you can pull up like your profile and all that sort of stuff here, edit all of this info. So there's a lot of stuff right there. This is your little chat feature, notifications here, settings right here for your own personal settings. There's your little drop down of your account and all of your different personal settings and stuff, your roles and all of this different kind of stuff. So all of that's across the top. It's pretty self-explanatory, but the main changes you're going to have seen are now over here. If you're someone like me, you get this big create button because obviously I'm running the group, so I can go and create things. More importantly, let's start at the top here with CCN events. So this is all the Chris Cooking Nashville events. So this is upcoming. If anything is ever like a local thing, like low carb for better health, it shows different things that are nearby to you when there's actual physical events. And hopefully as we grow, we might have more of this kind of stuff. Ash and I have talked about doing some things, so keep an eye on that. Past events are all in this tab, so you can go back and find all of the live streams, different things we have done, etc. And then specifically, these are my events because I'm doing stuff. You can see I'm live right now. So this is our little calendar with all of our various events that you can go and find. You can check the calendar on the right side. You can check the list here. Going back over here, this is all of our spaces. Now we've cleaned this up to try to make this easier for you guys to access everything. So like I said, the first one here is the band member feed, and this is where all of you guys can go and post. Ask questions, send us pictures, ask things about various recipes of mine. Like if you guys want to chat with each other and ask questions and all this kind of stuff, this is your place to do this. This is your go in and interact as a community. So here's the chat, and then you can see on top of this, there are things like the members feed, which is just a feed of the various interesting things that it's kind of surfacing for you that are happening in the band members feed. CCN events that are related to this band member feed. And then there's this little discovery tab here, which just kind of brings up like interesting posts it thinks you might want to see, or, various other stuff. And we might build some more of that stuff out. But that's your band member feed. So the main thing you're probably going to see on a regular basis is your chat, where you can go and interact with each other. And anytime there's a post like this, you can react to it in whatever way you want. You can reply directly to that post. You can, go in here, do different things. Underneath the band member feed is the band member list. So if you're trying to find somebody, you can go here and you can search for different people. It'll show you members that are near you. It'll show you our new members. So feel free to go in there and say hello to people. You can find people and you can message them directly. So like I can go here, here's my dad's profile, and you can go view their profile. You can start a private chat with them. You guys can interact with each other. This is why we have this group, because Patreon or various things like that, you can't actually interact directly with each other. So we have that. The next thing over here on this list, you'll see this collection right here is called Chris Cooking Nashville Spaces. So this top one is just general, and so you can collapse it, go back and forth, right? So the next one right here that we can expand open is the Chris Cooking Nashville Spaces. So this is the stuff that I can control and do things for you guys. So this is the Chris Cooking Nashville feed. This is where I will post. I have a tab here that shows the events that I'm doing. And it honestly, it works a lot like Facebook, right? It's just the feed where all of these different things are. I'll post pictures of what I'm doing. Like that's the chicken that I had for dinner last night. That was incredible. I'll just, be putting things here, and it will send notifications to you guys when I tell it to. But you can come here and you can scroll back through and find different things, or you can check the events that are specifically events I'm doing, because there will be some events that are not me. So that's the Chris Cooking Nashville feed where I kind of share all my stuff. Underneath of that is the newly branded Chris's Secret Recipe Stash. Okay, and this has existed in here, but I tried to make this look a little bit cooler, make this nicer. This is where I'm going to put my weekly, hopefully weekly, occasionally I miss one, but I'm going to try to keep them as frequently, consistent weekly as possible. This is where I post the extra recipes for you guys. So I'll come in here, I'll post these recipes, and I know that people have asked if I can make things searchable. When the band is big enough and we can afford to upgrade the account that we have to where I can do things which are called courses, I will be able to make things searchable. As the band grows, when we get there, yes, I will go back in and I will redo these things and make them searchable. Help me help you guys by sharing the band with as many people as you can. Let's grow it. I will upgrade and I will make all these things searchable. In the meantime, though, you can go in here and you can look at any one of these things, and you will see these extra recipes that are in here for you, and you can comment on it, and we can talk about the recipe itself on that particular post. So that is there, and there's a whole bunch of things for you to go back through and take a look at. Underneath of that is a new section, the CCN live replays. There is nothing here yet. I'm going to go back through, get all of the links for all the previous live streams we have done, and I will drop them all in here. And again, this goes back to that thing of making it searchable. As soon as we can afford to upgrade, I will, and then I'll be able to make it searchable or be able to put it in, different categories for you guys to find. But in the meantime, this will at least be a list of all of the past live streams, so you can go back and watch ones that maybe you missed or you weren't able to be there for. So that's the Chris Cooking Nashville Spaces. Collapse that. And again, we have really simplified this. So the only other collection right now here is the Virtuosos. These are your experts, and we'll probably have some more people coming in eventually. These are your experts who are here in the band, aside from just me, who are here to support you as well. And this is one I'm very excited about. Amanda Decker's Dynamics Deck. So if you guys don't know Amanda Decker, she is a nurse practitioner that operates here in Tennessee. She is also licensed online, like telehealth wise. She is licensed to practice in, I think it's like 23 or 24 or 28, I don't know, a number of states. So she can do clients from a distance if she is licensed in your state. You would have to reach out to her and see how many spaces she has available for things like that. But she is privy to all of the proper human diet info we all have come to know and love, and will help you medically if you are a client of hers. She is here and she is doing live Q&As. She's putting events in here. So you can see on her page, there's events, there's a feed here. You're going to see things start popping up here more all the time. She's going to be putting posts up. There is a chat where you'll be able to go in, put things in the chat specifically related to her and her information here. We're going to be working on this space more, but there's going to be other people who also work for her, with her, that are going to be coming in here, and they're going to be doing health related information. So we have health practitioner / health coach information coming to the band for you guys. Please come over here frequently and check Amanda Decker's Dynamics Deck for all kinds of really cool information. This is going to be an amazing resource that Amanda and I are working on putting together for you guys. It's going to be a great partnership. We are very, very blessed to have her in here because she is amazing. One of just the most incredible people. And she's going to be providing some info to you guys that is going to really help and benefit you. Underneath of that, we have Amplified with Ash. Of course, you guys probably know this. This is the beautiful Ash Taylor and all of her info and various things that she shares. There's the dinner I made for her last night, some chicken thighs, some behind the scenes pictures she loves getting. We are just trying to make this a fun community, and Ash has all kinds of cool stuff that she is sharing, like real life, like being behind the scenes of what it is like we do this kind of stuff, and absolutely incredible. So she might be doing some events. We're going to start putting some of her stuff up here for you guys. And then over here we have Pastor Bob's Carnivore Corner. Pastor Bob, if you don't know, was a vegan for like 40 years, and then he ended up reversing all of these issues, talking about it right here. Carnivore diet saved my life after decades of veganism. Ended up with cancer, diabetes, arthritis, obesity, and much more. He's 140 pounds lighter, more energy, more clarity, healthy, all of these different things. So Pastor Bob is the pastor of the heavy metal church we go to, and we know each other because of Carnivore. And so he's got a space in here where he can just share his story and also share with you guys what he's eating and the various things that he's using to stay healthy, inspiration, these sorts of things to improve not just your physical life, but maybe your spiritual life too. So that's basically what we've done, guys. We have made this space as clean and clear as it can possibly be. And you can see over here when these are collapsed, you can click on the main collection, which is what it's called. And then it shows you these various spaces. You can kind of, pick which space you want to go into. So it's all there for you. So we're trying to make this as easy as possible so you can find your way all the way through all of this information very, very simply. So we've cleaned it up quite a bit, made this hopefully a little bit easier for you to access. So if you guys have questions about any of that, please let me know. Holly says, didn't know that I could do that. Glad to share it. Yes, thank you. Yes, please, please, please use that invite link and share it with anyone and everyone you know. Because like I said, once we grow it big enough, I'm going to upgrade and we're just going to make it better. And we're going to be able to add more stuff. There's probably going to be some different tiers. There's going to be some things hopefully in the future where you're going to get stuff like my upcoming cooking crash course that Ash and I are going to be filming and putting together. We've got some ideas. We're working on some things. Let's grow the band. Let's make it as beneficial as it can possibly be to people. Let's just go out and change a lot of lives.